Okay, so welcome to a very late night where I'm going to talk about join and append really quick. This is a whole new thing that I'm going to try. It's with Autodesk Sketchbook, and away we go. So we are going to talk about join first. And the benefits of join really, so a join really connects two tables together. And they do this with a shared column. And often this column will be it has to be something that is unique. As in, like, it doesn't ever repeat. So you can't do this with, say, a classroom number amount, like, so, or capacity. So where you'll have like 5 classrooms that all have a 20 student capacity. You can't do that because it's not unique. But you can do it with a classroom number. So I will say that you can do that with a classroom number, but you can't do it with a classroom capacity. But a lot of times it's like a username, a user ID, an email usually will work, as long as like somebody's not sharing an email like that. And then that same information has to be held in table 2 with the same column. Not the same column, sorry. The columns can be named different. I'm sorry. And the whole reason you'd want to do this whole reason why you would want to do this is just basically to make a larger table. Is my pen going out on me? Okay. Out of the 2 tables that you had before. So you're really adding on more data about your row, or the people, or people, objects, whatever, that have that unique identifier. So with the append, you are taking 2 lists, and it's a more vertical stance where you have different people, but your columns are the same, roughly, you know. So you can have name, age, and gender per se, and then this one will have name, age, gender, and you can either choose to just keep it to those 3, but then this one might have a 4th one for our relationship status, where if you do append it, this one will end up getting an extra column, but because no one answered any of that relationship status in this situation, you'll end up with still an R status column, but everything will be null. And this really just comes into play where you're attaching new data to like legacy data where you collected it before. It's historic data a lot of times. This is also where you're going to do a lot of your work. Let's bring it back up here. with your trims and your splits and your data type. So this will be like text, binary, date, numeric. Oof, man. Time, and then obviously date time. Man, that was bad. Let's see if we can work that out really quick. All right. There we go. And then, this is basically just like really good for cleaning data, or you'll be, say you have a form and people are filling out that form per day, and then you can append the new additional people to the form daily and all this other different things and la-di-da. So that's your whole thing with appends. Now, this is not the only reason for appends. This is just me talking. Back to joins. This method is also really great for adding. So you've got your data table, but then things aren't working out. You want to organize your data table a little bit better, and then you can kind of go through a lookup table. So you end up adding basically another column on. So here's your unique ID, here's more data, and then here's your unique ID and original data. And you're just basically just adding on this. And then you have unique, original, and new data. That's it. That's all you're really doing. And that is just a quick, brief point of join and append. Now, if you've liked the video, you can always join the conversation by hitting subscribe. Let me see if I can do that one real quick. That'll be fun. Bam, 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 bam. So hit the subscribe button. Oh no, what happened? No! I can hear people getting annoyed right now. Is that stab chat or is that a bell? Hit the notification bell. Or, even... No! What? No, what? Give me a like. Although this is the one that everybody wants. Let's face facts. I've got 11 subscribers. I need more subscribers. But this still helps with the algorithm. This helps with the algorithm. And this is free and not annoying. You just acknowledge that you like the video, and it does help me with the algorithm, and it does lead to more subscribers in the long run. And I'll see you in the next one.